We're at the Drury Inn Suites, and we're getting ready to ride the elevator.
We're going up to 5.
This is an Otis elevator.
An Otis elevator.
That's right.
As you call.
We got 5 buttons for 5 floors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, and let's go step off the elevator here just a second.
5. Number 5. Set it down to
Yes, send it down to 1.
1.
Come on out, guys. Wait. Everyone stay here.
There's 4 5s.
Hey, Scott. Look at me. Scott, look at me. What do you think of the elevator?
I think of this elevator. I think the elevator duty.
Tell me what you think of the elevator.
If your elevator is right, then you should ride an elevator, and it's an Otis elevator.
Very good. And we're in Cape Girardeau, Missouri.
Yeah. So
And here comes the elevator back.
let's go on 3 and get that back to my.
Everybody in.
Let's go back.
Hey, Scott,
to
press the
my-
button.
We're going back down to 3.
Okay, and this time I'm going to watch the number. We're on the 5th floor. But remember, we're on 1, so you'll have to press 1 once we stop, okay? We're at the 3rd floor. Now press the door close button. Thank you.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to go down. I want to go back to 3. I think.
And now we're at the 1st floor.
Oh, upstairs back up to 5.
Yes.
3 and 2.
Let's go, mister. And we are back at this way, guys. Come on. Where's the room?
Oh, right there.
We're back.
Oh, can I do it? You're too weak.
Can you get the card out of my pocket, please? Hurry, get the card out of my pocket.
Hey.
Wrong pocket. Front pocket.
Bye. Bye.
Not that pocket.
Bye. Bye. Where's your front pocket?
Say bye-bye.